Alrighty, now this is a this is a this is a project that I've been working on for about a day or two, whatever. So the whole premise is just out of nowhere. They're in Earth. This everything here is underground. This is a metropolis. Like every dot is supposed to be a far view where no, every dot here is a building, like a cityscape. This is a big metropolis. The big here is the ground, upper floor, the ceiling, because on top of on the surface there are some kind of monsters that are like hunting down such and such. I haven't really designed them out. I just got like the whole building, whole world building out aspect of outward, just underground metropolis. From the top view, there's gonna be exit, three-way exit there, six exit, well seven, well six plus the three-way. I don't know how to do math. I gave up my math for making images, but just like a lot of exit, and the whole premise is the closer here is the more richer, the more wealthy, especially at the very bottom. The very bottom is wealthy, then it goes out. You know, you got royalty at the bottom right here is royalty, and it expands out into lesser, into nobility here, like nobility. But it goes up. You degrade a level. This is like wealthy slash normal people. Then we go into less wealthy people here. Then it goes up here where this is just normal to poor people, then to the homeless or like really poor people here. Maybe have our main character start out here. You know, discover. I don't know. I have zero idea what the story is, to be honest. So right there, let's see what else. Farms are all the way around. You know, farms all the way around, but mostly near the nobility. Then spread out. Spread out. You know, less and less through excuse me for my burp, through near less I don't know what I'm trying to say, less and less near everything. So what else here? I'm only these two are only showing these two, like, but on the other side of this thing right here, here's our like another different creatures. You got your own regular like or human, elf, or a dwarf. But then on here you got like mushroom people slash planty people. I put like planty people slash mushrooms. It's only two layers, like in terms, it's only like two layers, but they're really like tight knit community. They support each other. This is like a religion or such and such. So here, what next? Um, let's see. What else? Goddamn, I'm struggling. Like this is freestyle right here. I'm freestyling this shit right now. I have zero thing planned. Okay, so this is where the no, not nobility. I meant the mushroom people live. Two layers. The elf people here. Elf and just anything nobility. Elf really like I wouldn't say it's associated with, but elf and nobility, what's that slash royalty goes well. But that's what I meant to say. You got building here. Let's see. Hmm, Building. I guess so. There it goes. Now it's just time to build it out. What are the? I need to get reference actually. Yeah, I need to get reference for these. Let's see what else. What could I add? We could add this support beam here. Support beam there and there. Mm, there it goes. Alright, I'm gonna come back to when I have an idea of where I'm gonna go because I have so many ways I can start on this, I can start on that, I can even go just straight to character design or just come up with a character or I can come up with these monsters. Like I don't I have zero plan and it's really bad freestyle. Alrighty, I got my plan for today. Today I'm gonna design the mushroom people buildings. I don't know if I'm gonna finish like everything to be finished or not. Just straight up, let's just design the building. So right now I got like Japan like mushroom, then so mushroom, and I want to put it. I want to use a Japanese architecture. I don't know what the hell was I think trying to say. So let's just get started. Let's draw. Oh, my bed, my bed, my bed. Okay, let's see. Um, let's start with what should I start with? Let me create a list actually. Okay, so have a plan. We can do like home. We can do home. We can do temple. Uh, big home, I guess. plus, plus big home. Let's put it here. Um, big home. Let's do it like a town hall. Is that how you spell town? Doesn't matter. Town hall. Town hall. Town hall. Town hall. What else? What else? What else? Just different variation. No, just different. No, I don't. You really want something unified though. Like to um similar variation, similar variation. Okay, let's start with just a one-story home. Japanese one-story home. It's like actually really bad because I'm using Japanese architecture really triangle. So we can just gonna no, that's a good thing. I don't know what I'm trying to say. We can combine those two type of elements. Bam. There it goes. Something like this. Yes, something like this here. It's actually good. Let me see. Let me look at my reference a bit more. Like that. Bam. Houses like that. This is a two-story house. We want to make it big, medium, small too. It's uneven too. Uneven. Because symmetry. They're more like earthly. They're more like nature. So I want nothing. I don't want everything to be symmetry. Like that. That is good. How it looks inside, we'll figure it out. Something like that here. Hmm. No, even here. No, think about that here. Bam. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Uh, something like that. Hmm. Bam. There it goes. I don't know. Wait, this. I don't know. This one. It's not. I don't know if this one hitting. First and foremost, it just feels so unbalanced. The center of gravity is not there. Center of gravity is like right here. It's right there. Oh, yeah. Well, never mind. I can do something like this here. But I feel like that does not even look like a mushroom now. Here, let's no, let's make it more mushroomy. There you go. See, bam. At the end. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Do do do. There it goes here. This is a recurring. I want a recurring feature here. Big, big and small. Big and small. Big and small. I, I don't know. I was just thinking of biggie small. Big and small. Okay, okay, okay. Hold up, hold up. Mm. Something like that, I guess. Does this work? I don't know if that works. I don't know if that works too, to be honest, too. So, let's see. Where's the entrance? Now thinking about it. What the hell? Okay, I don't want it to be that believable. Everything does not have to have a realistic functionality. I meant to say. This is fantasy. I don't want everything to be functional. Here, I'll put that there. Who knows? Maybe here, then here. Here's a bam. They go up. This is a big house. Let's just say that, because this would be useless right now. There it goes. Here. Do. Here's a cover. It makes some sense really when you think about it. I don't know. Here, I'll leave that there. Maybe just like second floor right here, and it goes off into this building right here. That comes off like this, like that. I have zero idea. Here's the window. Maybe like that. Now I'm not even thinking 3D now. Okay, that's bad. That's got 3D. Cause like if I show a 2/4, like what the hell happened here? Does it wrap around? There. Hmm. Yeah. I think yeah, I got it. I got it. Like it wraps around. Yep. It wraps around like that, and here's the window. There. Oh, I want it rising. What the hell is going on here, though? Hold up. I want it rising, but I. Mm, did I fuck with that? Oh no. Let's keep it going. Let's let's keep it going. Mm, eventually, we'll figure it out. Eventually. Let's see what else. Here, let's use the base 40 mushroom. All the mushrooms really, really tight knit. Not tight knit. Really ordinary. Like really. Let me say I got sneeze. Never mind. I was about to sneeze, but it just went away. Mm, looking at some of these references here. It has a. Okay, I'm pressing on the my goddamn. Why come so hard actually? It has something like this. Um. Give me a sec. I gotta change my wacom. I switched back. Alright. I just changed the sensitivity. Because I was just pressing too hard. Try to change back to like normal. Because I right. Okay, let me stop talking about that. Let's get a track. Let's see. Oh, I like this here. Hold up. I like. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. No. Mm. It's like a shell though. Actually look like a she shell. This could be. Hold up. This could. This aligns with. I have a magic system where how the hell do they get up? Well, they just use some kind of air magic like in Skyrim. Um, I don't know if they have it. Skyrim Dragonborn DLC uh, in Soulstime, where they had like a levitation magic where they use I don't know what magic it is, just like air magic I guess. They zip you up. using like just fly, bam, levitation, whatever magic it is, up in the building. So we're gonna use that. Let's see. Do, 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 do. Ooh, hold on. Actually, it's like this. Oh, okay, that's too much. Oh yeah, never mind. I'm like, I feel like that's too much. No, what I meant to do is there. Bam. You go, go, bam. What's that? Well, mm, there it goes. Yeah. Oh, actually, I like the size because it actually fits. Yeah, I feel like some of these windows just so much. Like the door is just big as hell. Yeah, wait, I like this. Oh, hold up. I like this. I fuck with this. I'm feeling this right now, right here. Mm. Maybe not this goddamn window though. I like what the direction we're going with this one. Let's see. We can all can we? I want to add something on the top. I really like this shape here of just a really passive into aggressive, passive into sharp or everything. I don't know what the term would be. Here's different kind of different structures. Here, next up. Let's see. Hmm. Does this make sense in terms of like where would the floor be? I guess this is like floor one, floor two, like floor three. Wait, what? One, two, three, four, five, maybe six. I don't know. Damn, I'm not really. But anyways, okay, this was just random. What if I just? Oh, yeah, tilt it, make it tilted. There we go. Mm, there it goes. There it goes. Okay. How about we try this? Big, medium, small. I don't know what the hell are these. Okay, no, no, wait. That's randomly. These are like bad buildings, corrupted. No, maybe I have zero idea. I have the lore is not fleshed on this. Maybe these guys can corrupt like random, like corrupt, like turn them into zombies, some shit like that, and just not people, but building too, like turn it into a corrupt. I don't know, ash. It turned to ash or whatever. Like make them some kind of evil things. I have zero idea. Why not? Why not? Why not? I'm not okay. I'm trying to make this world building right here fun. No, I don't want to go heavy. I especially do not want to go heavy into functionality, because that's my weakness in terms of functionality. Is not my weakness. It's just more. One of my weaknesses is just that I tend to make everything so functional to the point that there's no fun. Whenever I try to design something out, I just like out of instinct, I'm always trying to be functional. When in reality, I really love less functional, more fantasy design. I don't really like heavy functionality and less fantasy, less cool. Doesn't mean it doesn't mean it cannot be cool, but I just don't prefer it. I think it's less cool. The coolness comes from the functionality itself, and I'm not good of designer to make something functionality cool. Plus, I don't enjoy that kind of cool. I enjoy weird. concept looking cool. No sense here. Ah, yeah, why not? Bam. Bam. Bam, bam. Here's a house. Here's the door. That's the window. Ah, um, whatever. We'll keep it. We keep it. We keep it. Mm, okay. Next up. Here, let's start at the bottom here. Mm. So, what happens here? Mm. What do I even like here? Okay, I got a direction minus that, I guess. I got three direction. I don't have to go here, but I can take a little bit of suggestion from it. Like, I like this right here. I like this right here. Everything here. Here, maybe okay. This is the base home right here. On everything right here, this is the base home. This is our base home right here. Oops. God damn. This is a one story house. No, bam. Yeah, this everything. Two-story, I guess. A roof, an attic. My yeah. Let's make this. Put it here. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, this is our base. I really don't like how. Yep. I don't want them being equal length like that. This is our base right here. Maybe even here. No, they no has the Japanese. Bam, bam, bam. Whatever the Japanese. No, like what architect, what cutting? I'll just say whatever this thing is on the Japanese building. Okay, I take that back. That actually looks horrible. Maybe it's so. I gotta figure something out because this is just too complex. Not too complex. The opposite. Too simple. Simplify. But that is a good thing because this is the base. A base. So I'll leave it there. I'll leave it there for now. Here's a stairway. Okay, what next? I gotta make a. How about a two-story? What if I just you you go here, you just add on top here. Yeah, there it goes. Instead of that, you make it like this here. There, bam. Mm, wait, hold on. Actually, here, you do this. Do you do this? Sure, you do this. You do that. Then, of course, you also do this here. But a small attic here. Not even the attic, just a window. Like you think, look at it, just a window here. It's just a window. Here is another this room. Mm, I don't know if I don't fuck with the position though. Maybe I know it's just maybe this is I don't like. Maybe it's this. I want this to follow. Bam. Do, 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 do. Okay, I want this to follow suit. Bam. Follow suit here. Maybe here it's like that. Here, maybe this is I don't follow. Small attic, small room, another big laboratory room. do, and at the very top you have a chimney. Here, yeah, why not add a chimney per se? Actually, yeah, that's actually not. Okay, that looks so off. Actually, no, let's not do that. Even here, it looks off. There it goes. I like where this is going. I feel like this could be it. Of course, this design cannot be it. I feel like I'll get. I know I will get this design right within the next 50 tries. Because I'm not experienced. I'm not like I'm not professional enough to get the right design like in the first 10 image or 20. Matter of fact, I'll get lucky if I can get it in the next 15 drawing 15 design. I think it takes me like around like 30 to 40 design drawing the same design over and over to get the perfect one. See, I don't really like this here. Like, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Mm, uh, hold up, hold up. I may be cooking here. Ah, that's me right there. LeBron for three. This is how I feel with this one right here. Hold up, hold up. No, never mind. Something is off. Okay, you know what? Okay, this is default. Let me put it back. Do I like this one? I actually kind of like that one. Which one do I like? I like this one better actually. This breaks up the form. Mm, oh, oh, oh. Hmm. Let's see. Let's do a bit more, like one more spearheaded face. What the hell did I just said? Spearheaded face. What? I don't know what the hell I just said. Anyways, what I meant to say is let's just paint. Let's just draw right here. Mm, this one. Is this one hitting? Oh, hold up, hold up. This one. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, I'm liking this. Here, for this one though, let me move this. There he goes. Let me move this here because I want. Yeah, that's the player. This is another mm, another single home. I'm gonna make it into a gigantic home though next because here, you know, of course, there's your house. Got big button, not button, big it's like a window for the same window like a telescope has. This is a big ass shit. What else? I feel like that's it. This could be it. This could be the base. Cause I want something a bit more, uh, with more of the circle shape more than the aggressive shape. These all looks aggressive actually. One thing I'm seeing is a bit aggressive, which is like this. I like the design, but it's not the looks. I don't like the design. I like the looks of this. The design in terms of design, it does not fit the mushroom people I have imagined. I I'm I imagine them to be more peaceful, more like gated community of peaceful mushroom people that support each other, but don't really like outsiders. They just live in their own gated community and such and such. And this just gives off a like an evil version of them, like their enemy. Evil version of mushroom because the aggressive, like it really is like wow, that's aggressive. So yeah, I want to turn it down a notch. Let's use this instead. Yeah, hold up. Just see. We can use this. Let's use the same thing. Here, get rid of that. Of course, we can just stack it. Yeah, we can just stack. Droopy toe. We can really just do that. Oh, oh, what the? Maybe I went too far. Let's go down a bit more. It's like this here. Small. It starts from there, but really it's just. It's like going way too much into whimsical. I like this. Mm, uh, uh, if it's like that, it's still a big room. I just need something small, like a one room. Hmm. I'm also just not fucking with this right here. There it goes. Okay, hold up. Oh, next one. Oh, stop. Yeah, I like this. I like this here. See, I thought this was it, but I realized this is so much better. Just simple off the shape. Like the shape is that's the correct shape. Let me stretch. Ooh, let me stretch. The shape is so much better. The shape, like okay. Um, let me take it back. Let me not get ahead of myself. I do think the shape is better because it represents the people more. What is it missing? It's missing that like the Japanese element that I wanted. I decided, but I don't really have to follow that. 'Cause I don't really. I can. But it was just like a nice. Why not just make it Japanese? So I had no real like intent on it. How can I do this? Yes. Oh, wait. How do I implement this into the lore? This is like the civilians. Civilian. Whatever. Civilians. And this is like the more royalty slash not royalty slash nobility, just more royalty. Like this is where um the higher, not even the higher ups for say, where the military, like I guess that town hall is to show that no, the civilian are we civilian are cool, such and such. but we can get busy. Like we can get down to business, like staying on business. So maybe so. It's like more nobility. The just show them ain't all cuddly, cute and shit around here. Like shit get real, shit get down for real. So this should show that kind of language. Shape this shape. Like this is that like these are. There's only two story. How does this work actually? Hmm. On the other side, they don't have this. This is broken down. This is broken down here. Wait, I meant this is broken. This the lower. Do I make it lower the more it is, or hmm? Yeah. Hmm. The civilian are like really harmless, but the higher up royalty has guards and mercenaries, such and such, so it's more dangerous. So imagine this, just like this. So you erase that. So around here would be where these are at, but like at the like I said, the normal people here, um, at the base it has this, but as it expand out, it'll have this and this more and more. So I like that. I like that. I like that idea because I do. I really. I'm. I do this because I really actually want to implement this. I like how it looks, but it didn't fucking fit the people, I guess. Mm. So it really does not make sense. But I said so since I'm the one that's I'm the lore master here. So let's go off. Let's go off here. I don't really want to get. I don't know. Do I go more? Of course I go more, but like, which one do I go? Okay. So um. Okay. What's my cheat? Cheat sheet. I got the home. Let's go big now. Big homes. I don't really need to because it's just compilation of these two. Um, I don't need. I don't want like a lot of variation. I just want one to three shape, like big, medium, small, and just like variation of these, like variation of this, like one more big ones. Here, let me actually not like one more big one that's really just like that. Probably something like that, where it just something big like that. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's make it. Let's make a. Do I make a town hall or a temple first? Mm, you will do a bit more. Never mind. Forget what I just said. Like the last minute. Let's go a temple. Oh wait. Hold up. I just got an idea. Could be two faction within each other. This could be two faction within like yeah, real conflict right here. Ah, this is the Laura shit coming through. Big Brand right here. A 200 IQ coming through. Like on the other side, that building on us, it's true. Hold up. This could be two faction. Yes. I'm gonna do that actually, cause I'm the lore master and I get to do what the fuck I want. Yes, two faction right here. So let's see. Mm, let's base off here. Let's put it here. Here. Let's just. I want to delete these, but I don't want to get rid of them. Oh, what the hell did I just? Oh, here. I'll I'll get these. Wait, I could have used these actually. What the hell am I even doing? Okay, on top. What the hell am I doing? I just realized. Okay, save. Here, let me group for save shit. You're, you're on this side. Building variation now. Building variation. Mm, the shape is. I got the shape down here. Now this is a bit more of a. Okay, let me stop. What am I making here? Ooh. Mm. Okay, I'm gonna stop for now. Get some. Take a break, and because I don't really know what I haven't decided. So next time I'm gonna take a break and come back. Ugh. Alrighty. Alright. I have a list of things to do. I gave myself a list of stuff to design. I can add like you can add so much more. I didn't want to add it in because this is more so a gated community. They don't need it in. They support each other. Such and such. Um, I want to finish one thing today. One thing right here, and I think that one thing is gonna be like this. I want to detail out one, two, or just even one set. That's all I want to detail out. Mm, let's detail out because just these two I want to detail out because um I'm thinking simple. I want to keep it really simple. This is for like a family of 1 to 3. This is for a family of like 3 to 10 in general. Like 1 to 4. I think 4 to like 5. Not 5. 4 like 10. Like children. So I want let's design these out. Like next time I'll design these out. Let's get this out actually. What am I doing? Right now I don't know how I'm gonna do this right now. To be honest, I'm thinking of do I block it out in 3D and draw on top of it? I'm only thinking this just to you add 3D into my workflow. Usually I'll just don't even draw in 3D. I'll just paint. Holy shit! Fuck! I should have. God damn it! Should put this new layer by itself. Now my dumbass got it. There it goes. Here, let me actually get rid of that. Let's be organized somewhat. We'll come back. Alright, what's this image? Because I'm about to size. Let's do 20. Okay. This is what. Okay. Okay. How do I do this? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. I'm gonna make it 3D blocked out of this and draw on top of it. Actually, yeah. Let me make it 3D blocked out. Here. Alrighty, we're in 3D. Alright, my 3D is really really primitive. But I want to make it 3D block out, and I want to get better at 3D too. So want to always use it. Let me see. Let me look at my reference, or just the building. Really, the rough idea. It's really a cylinder. What the heck? God damn it, Chevy. A cylinder. What is a cylinder? Just a cylinder. Do that. Here, just really just cylinder. Mm, how do I do this actually? Let me add a loop cut to that. Just okay. Maybe yeah. Maybe loop cut like that. That should be enough. Hmm. If I turn this on. Okay, okay, that's better. Oh no, 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 no. hold up. A little sharper here. Nice. That's actually what I want. Oh, this is what I want here. Okay, this. Alright, now that's actually be challenging. The top, this top right here. Okay, how do I even model that? Um, God damn it. Oh shoot, I haven't even figured it out. Um, I guess. God damn, actually, this is difficult. More difficult than I thought it is. Wait, here. My 3D is really okay. Don't do that. Make sure I'm in. I think this is the right. Um, hold up. How do I make this round? Hold up. If I do. I want to add a loop cut right there. Here. What's it? Fuck, I can't really add a loop cut there, can I? Hold on, wait. If I do that, this is not an accident, by the way. Nope, let me get rid of gouache. Oops. I'm just fiddling around here. I don't know, maybe something like that here. Oops. I have zero idea what I'm doing here, guys. Oops, my bad. So, do I close that in? No, X, yeah, we go. Oh, okay. This could be some kind of opening. This could be the opening here. What up? Oh, I want a bit more of a. Okay, that's too much of a pull. Let's do 5. I think that's too much too, yeah. Let's do like 3 here. Yep, exactly what I want here. You go Y, you go X. Yep. Exactly what I want here. You go Y. Actually, X. No, Z. I don't know what I'm doing. Z. I want a loop cut here. How do I add a loop cut? I'm trying to add a loop cut around this surface. Fuck me. Whatever, you go X. I think you're far enough, but no. Let's go X a bit more and go Y. Yep. This here. On top of that, I'll fix it later. I just need really 3D primitive form. I could just draw on top. Yeah. Like this is all I really need in terms of just primitive. Yeah, legitimately all I need here. Let's save. Why not? Why not? Um, Good guys faction. Wait, shit, I don't know the name. Faction. Good guys. 330, 30, 25. There it goes here. Just gonna take that here and then go back to Photoshop. Here, let me open Photoshop. We're back in Photoshop. Just gonna paste this. Then let's just draw on top of it, even though I don't really need it at all. Truth be told, here, let's just draw our design on top. Oh, let's use mushroom. Here. Uh, no, it's 20%. Oops. Yep. What the hell's all these goddamn? Here, just I don't probably. Should I probably shouldn't have done that. Actually, now I think about it. Doesn't matter. Fuck it. Let's draw. We ball. Here. This is the base. I can use another brush. Well, doesn't matter on the brush. Here, fuck it. It doesn't really matter. Just use random. Let's use this. Ooh, I like this brush. Never mind. Let's have this language here. Head language of. Boo. It comes out like that. It comes out like that. Right here is where we. Here it goes. This comes out. Let's draw a contour of it actually. Oh, here, let's lock this so I don't do that. I want somewhat even. The home it really is like bang. I think is that too small? Here. I think right here. This is like I don't know if this is the right. Okay, I have maybe should have figured out a proportion issue. And the perspective's not right here. It's like something like this. Like that. We got 15. Let me see. No, of course. Like these are people that lives with the plants. Like maybe these are just some the roots. The magic is plant based, I guess. They are plant people, so their building is made out of trees. The same trees of this holy. This is a tree, by the way. I don't think I realized I told anyone. Like, this is a tree. Then they build on top of it. That's kind of fucked up on me for not saying that earlier. I have zero idea what this is right here, right now. Window. I'm like, what could this be? This could be a window. Here. Oh, that's too much. This is a window right now. Here. There it goes. This one story is two story basically. This is where it ends. A start for the second story. But the first story here, but that like there it goes. There's a big one. There it goes. There's a medium. Here's a medium. Then there's another big one here. This is the base, but they'll probably have like here, some kind of supporting, some kind of element, secondary element. I don't know. This could be beam. I have zero idea what this is. There you go. See here. Here, this could be a lot of decoration. They're happy people. No, here. This is another beam. I have zero idea what these beams are. But maybe these beams hold up something. I have zero. This is not designed out clearly. Everything's for entertainment. Not because I suck at designing or anything. Not like that. Bam, bam. Okay, this makes no sense. Whatever. It looks cool anyways. Oh, we ball with these. Yeah, whatever. It's actually. Do I fuck with it though? I have zero idea. Here. We can say these are fines. Yeah. Oh, hold up. I can just. Wait, how can I make shit up right here? I can say these are like the repetition on stuff like this. Right? This kind of repetition here. There it goes. I don't want to go too much because this is the base. But overall here, on top of it, actually, yeah. There it goes. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Ooh. Da, 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 da. Here. That's their home. That's their home. Demon home right here. Demon home. Let's see. I like that. I like that. And this is basic, but it is the basic, you know. So, okay, I'll flesh this out. I'm gonna actually do that. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this and just draw it. I 3D is useless. I'll be honest, the 3D is useless. It provides me nothing at all. Uh, here, I want to get rid of that actually. No, what the hell did I just, there you go. Fuck it. I guess I'll just do this. Take that. And just use different brush. Okay. Now this is where it gets interesting. I might need to like that. Bam. There it goes. Let's just draw on top of this. Okay, so how does this work? It wraps around. This is. No, it's like this here. This is the contour, really. I don't want this showing, but I got to, I guess. It wraps like that, but it's like that. Bam, bam. Then the other one just attach like this here. Mm, they're attached like this here. We can see a bit more like this here, actually. The perspective is right there. Should be there. Uh, Something like that. Being completely honest, like that. Just sketches. Being honest, a person is that size. Yes. Um, something like here, like that. There it goes. Demon home right here. There it goes. Let's follow the same whatever code I have here. Here. Mm, I'll, I'll finish this up. Mm, there it goes. Here. Bam. After this, I'll probably just like a speed up video of this. Because after this, it's just me being straight up just quiet. Like, maybe that, maybe that, that. So, it's not really that worth it. Let's see. Ooh, there it goes. There it goes. There's your idea here. There he goes. Here. Matter of fact, it hangs like this. It's on this here. Um, there it goes. Hangs like this. It goes around. Goes around like that. Just for decorative. And that's it. That's really it. Here, let me add the perspective in. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, this one's wrong actually. Here, let's add this perspective here. Let's add this perspective here. Doesn't matter here. Let's get the sense of perspective here. There it goes. I think something like that, if I had to guess. There it goes. I like that. Alright, so now just straight up just straight up just rendering. Not rendering, I meant clean up. This is a bad idea though right now. Because this is zero figured out. Zero plan. I don't know what the hell this is. But I'll work with it. Alright, I'm gonna stop there. Alrighty. This fit. Well, it's not really finished, but I say it's finished because I don't feel like doing more. Truth be told, I'm too tired. To be honest, I'm done. I'm done with this. I'm done with this here. No more for me here. There. Uh, Maybe a bit more before I go. Let's make this 50%. Mm, okay. Just gonna do that. I'm gonna do this here. Clean stuff up. Stuff that are barely clean. Clean them up a bit, even though it's really messy here. Alright, alright. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm tired. I don't feel like doing anything more. I feel like going to bed and going home. Well, I'm home. But I'm going to bed for tomorrow. Other than that, I just first one came out crap. I'm not gonna lie, because I suck at line art. Like clean line art, I suck. This is me. I just draw, always draw on top of the sketch. Like keep erasing and drawing, erasing and drawing. This is about it. I'm tired. Mostly, uh, I could. This could be. I don't really care if how it looks. Tricky though. Represent what I need enough. There it goes. Yeah, that's really it. All right. Bye.